In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage rules in Outlook efficiently, enhancing your email organization and workflow. Let's dive right into the process, step by step, ensuring you can master it with ease. First things first, open Outlook on your computer. This is your main hub for managing emails, and today, we're going to tap into its powerful rules feature to automate how your incoming messages are handled. Once you've got Outlook open, take a look at the top of the window where you'll see a variety of options that help manage your emails. Navigate to the Home tab. This is typically the starting point for accessing various features in Outlook, and it's here that you can begin to take charge of your emails. Now from the Home tab, you'll want to look for the Rules button. It's a handy tool designed to help manage how your emails are sorted and handled. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go to Manage Rules and Alerts. This will open up a new window where you can see all the existing rules you have set up, or where you can begin creating new ones. To create a new rule, you'll start by clicking on New Rule. Outlook presents you with several templates to streamline your rule creation, and one of the most useful options is found right at the top: move messages from someone to a folder. This is especially helpful if you often receive emails from specific individuals and wish to organize them in designated folders automatically. Next, proceed by choosing the sender whose emails you'd like to move to a different folder. Outlook will guide you through selecting the person by allowing you to specify their email address. This part is crucial because it ensures that only emails from this specific sender are moved according to your rule. After designating the sender, the next step involves selecting the destination folder. You can choose from existing folders in your Outlook or create a new one specifically for these emails. This ability lets you categorize emails in a way that makes sense to your workflow, especially if you're handling emails from several senders for different purposes. Once you have everything set up to your liking, sender and destination folder all properly selected, simply hit Finish. This finalizes the rule. And from this point onwards, any email from your specified sender will automatically flow into the chosen folder, keeping your inbox organized and focused on what matters most. By following these steps, you've just implemented a new rule in Outlook that organizes your emails efficiently, saving you time and ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks. With regular use, managing rules will become second nature, optimizing how you interact with your emails each day. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to manage rules in Outlook, and be sure to experiment with other rules to further streamline your email experience.